Let's talk about backend technologies and how is the market here in Berlin. So I believe that usually engineers, of course, they will always have a preferable language. Mine is PHP, for example. But one of the gaps that I see is like using PHP as a silver bullet for everything else. There are some specifics of the language and how the language run in a web server that is different in other languages, like how it's memory consumption and how you have the global variables in different ways, how a request is handled in PHP rather than Node.js or Python. I believe that to cover those gaps, one of the things you need to learn as a backend engineer is always keep an eye on all the technologies that are around. Try to take one pet project, for example, or even better, instead of pet project, use what I mentioned in a previous video, data structures. Try to implement data structures like stacks, queues, and sorting algorithms and everything that you learn in the university in all those different languages. Here in Berlin, the backend languages most popular in startups, at least, are PHP, Python, Ruby, using also Ruby on Rails, and Node.js, and also some companies they are playing with Golang. So also you have a strong market for Java, Scala, and also Kotlin. Kotlin, although it's used mostly in mobile apps, it's also a language that can be used as a backend, even front end. You can use Kotlin. So this is usually how the market is. I think one thing you need to know about those languages, and it's also a good opportunity for you, is go to meetups, also in your city, or try to learn from other meetups. Usually some meetups, they publish videos online on YouTube. So also in Berlin you can see also the topics. If you go to the meetup.org, the URL that you have, you can also find some backend meetups that you have here in Berlin and how they are like dealing with some trendy topics like microservices, domain-driven design, hexagon architecture. So as I also mentioned before, some mastered some frameworks, that's good, but know how they work. And the ability to learn different things is what makes a great candidate different from a good candidate. But don't worry, you're people in the beginning of the career. They can and they are very keen to learn. So take that time to learn different backend technologies. Focus on one technology, learn, master, create a pet project, create data structure algorithms to make you learn. It will also prepare you for probably interviews that you might face. The ability to combine the theory with practice is essential when working with backend technologies here in Berlin. That's it.